woman here, listen to me and listen very, very, very carefully. Give your head due respect and honor. Give him his due respect and honor. If you struggle with your husband, your skirt will tear. If you are not married, it's a different thing. I'm not talking to you tonight, maybe some other time. But if you are married, hear me, my number one calling before preaching is Felix Adejumo. I am called to him. Some years ago in the place of prayer, I said to God, Father, I will so much stand by my husband. If he fails, hold me responsible. The secret of champions is in their story. By God's grace, I've traveled around the world preaching this gospel. I've been honored around the world. But the Lord decided to lead me to open this aspect of my life to you tonight. I don't know why. I hardly say this, but I want to say it tonight. When my husband first got into ministry, because I didn't marry him as a pastor, we were friends. I didn't know he could ever become a pastor. When he now became a pastor, I wasn't used to that kind of a life. I didn't see examples around me. I didn't see great marriages around me. So I began to give him problems. I began to give him challenges in ministry. I hardly say this. Everybody says Funke, Felix, Adejumo, fantastic. She talks about her husband, blah, blah, blah. But I'm taking you to my remote past. God will first test you before he trusts you. If God dips you in that controlled environment, if you don't change, he will stay there. God will stay there. I used to do Adira business. If the Adira refuses to change, you will stay inside the die. So I began to give my husband challenges. In ministry, he couldn't hug any lady. I'll get her and say, why did you hug him that much? I began, and the man, my husband, is a gift of God to me. Jesus. Everybody looked at us and they thought, oh, the church was great. But, if we had a misunderstanding on Saturday evening, you see me in church, you love. My husband would try to talk to me. I would say, just don't let me misbehave here. Just let me worship my God. My husband will put his arms around me and say, darling, look. I will say to him, I don't know how to pretend. My husband will say, it is not pretense, it is maturity. It went on for some time. And then one day, I had an encounter with the Lord. The Lord said to me, how would you want your funeral service to look like? I said, I bind you, Satan, in the name of Jesus. The Lord said to me, it is I, your father, not the devil, because you are troubling your Zachariah. You are becoming a distraction. The Lord said to me, I am planning to get him another wife. Who will allow him to fulfill my purpose? She will take care of your children. And hear the last statement that broke me down. And you will not be missed. My head became correct. I became lost in my husband's ministry and vision. I became digested in him. That was when I added Felix to my name. It used to be Funke Adejumo. So that people will know, now Felix Adejumo own this one. He's the reason why I'm living. I'll go to church, I will sweep. I will wake the man up in the night, I will tell him how handsome he is. I will soar like crazy. And I still go to church to sweep because I told the Lord, I won't change till you come. By God's grace, my husband is established in ministry now. It's a great success. I'm grateful to the Lord for him. I'm grateful. I can't imagine my life without that man. I can't imagine.